Using AdWords for video. Hello there, my friends. You might know the AdWords platform as the biggest display ad network available. And it is great for video advertising too, with unique features such as more detailed audience targeting options and broader marketing objectives. To use AdWords for video, you will simply have to start on your AdWords account and to click on the Campaigns tab. Now click on the New Campaign drop-down menu and click on the video option. Start by naming your new video ad campaign in the Campaign Name field. Now select your type of video campaign. There are two types of video campaigns to choose from. The standard type is designed to drive views, awareness, and conversions with video ads. The shopping type is designed to encourage people to buy products listed in your Google Merchant Center account. In our case, we're going to select the standard video campaign type to send targets to our business website. Now you have to select your video ad format in the Video Ad Format section. You can select the in-stream or video discovery ads format if you want your video ads to appear during playtime, as display ads beside the YouTube video player, or as search results on YouTube, or you can select the bumper ads format to serve unskippable 6-second video ads during mid-play on YouTube videos. In our case, we're going to select the bumper ads format because that is the simplest way to post a video ad through AdWords for video. Now you have to set up your bidding and budget. Please note, however, that your bidding strategy will depend on the video ad format that you select. For instance, if you select in-stream or video discovery ads, your default bidding strategy will be maximum CPV, or maximum cost per view, which will help you to get the most qualified views allowed by your total budget. On the other hand, if you select bumper ads as your video ad format, your default bidding strategy will be maximum CPM, or maximum cost per mile, which will help you to get the maximum impressions that you can afford within your budget. Okay, so let's set up budget. Here, you will be able to either set a daily budget or a fixed campaign total. The daily budget option will allow you to set up a daily amount of money towards your video campaign, and the campaign total option will allow you to set up a lifetime budget for the duration of your campaign. Once again, our recommendation here is to set a daily $5 budget to get started. You can click on the Campaign Start and End Date display button to schedule your campaign, which will be set by default to start as soon as it is approved and without an end date. You can check the start and end date boxes and then use the calendar functions to schedule your video ad campaigns. Now, when you click on the Delivery Method display button, you will be able to select your ad delivery speed. You can select Standard to deliver your ads evenly over the course of the day or for as long as your campaign runs. Or you can select Accelerated to show your ads as quickly and to as many people as possible. In the Networks section, you can select placements to show your video ads, including YouTube search results, YouTube videos, and on video partners on the display network. And we recommend you to leave all the default options selected. In the Locations section, you can select where you are going to target people with your video ads, which can be either in all countries and territories or in your current location. And by checking the Let Me Choose option, you can select your own target locations. In our example case, we are going to check the Let Me Choose option to refine our targeting by selecting English-speaking locations only. In the Languages section, you will be able to specify the language of your target customers. In the Device section, you can adjust advanced device targeting settings. Lastly, you will be able to create custom ad schedules by clicking on the Ad Scheduling display button and set up frequency caps and content exclusions by clicking on the Ad Delivery display button. Once you have set it all up, you will simply have to click on Save and Continue. Now it is time to create your ad group and your ad. Start by naming your new ad group in the Ad Group field. Now enter your YouTube video ad URL in the Video Ad field. Now you have to enter your display URL, which is the URL address that will appear in your ad, and the final URL, which is a valid URL that people will click through to go to your site or landing page. Now you have to set up the companion banner. You can select to auto-generate your companion banner using videos from your channel, or you can select to upload an image that you can use for your companion banner. Lastly, name your video ad in the ad name field. Now move to the bidding section to set a maximum bid that adjusts to your bidding objective. This is the highest amount that you're willing to pay for a single view or impression, depending on which one you choose as your objective, and we recommend you to apply an amount a bit higher than the typical amount recommended by AdWords. Lastly, in the targeting section, you will be able to set up your audience targeting options. Here you will be able to customize your target audience according to demographics and interests. In demographics, you will be able to target audiences by gender, age, parental status, and household income. In interests, you will be able to target affinity audiences for each, to target in-market audiences for return on investment, and to target custom affinity audiences. You will also have the option to target audiences by life events, such as college graduation, marriage, and moving. Lastly, you will be able to use the Narrow Your Audience menu to add targeting criteria to your targeting settings, including keywords, placements, and topics, as well as to target website visitors through remarketing. Finally, you can click on Save Ad Group when you set it all up. And that's it. Next up, we will be teaching you how you can use AdWords for video to set up in-stream ads and in-display ads. So tune in.